Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to add a bot to your Discord server. Bots can do a ton of useful things. Play music, moderate your chat, give out roles, run games, and a whole lot more. And adding one is easier than you might think. Let's get into it. Before we begin, make sure you have two things. First, you need to be the owner or an admin of the Discord server you want to add the bot to. You can't add bots to servers you don't have permission for. Second, you need to find the bot you want to add. The most popular place to find Discord bots is top.gg or discord.com/application-directory. You can search for bots by category like music, moderation, fun, and more. Go to top.gg or the Discord bot directory at discord.com/application-directory. Browse or search for the bot you want. Some popular ones are ME6 for moderation, Groovy or Hydra for music, Carlbot for auto roles, and Dankmemer for fun and games. Once you find the bot you like, click on it to open its page. On the bots page, look for a button that says Invite, Add to Server, or Add Bot. Click it. This will open a new window or tab asking you to log into Discord if you aren't already. Once logged in, you'll see a drop-down menu that says Select a Server. Click on it and choose the server you want to add the bot to. Then click Continue. After selecting your server, Discord will show you a list of permissions the bot is requesting, things like reading messages, sending messages, managing roles, and so on. Review the permissions carefully. Most bots need these to function properly, so it's usually safe to leave them as they are. When you're ready, click Authorize. You may also need to complete a quick CAPTCHA to confirm you're not a robot. After that, the bot is added. Once the bot joins your server, go back to Discord and open your server. You should see the bot appear in the member list on the right side. Most bots will send a welcome message in your server with instructions on how to get started. Use the bot's prefix, usually an exclamation mark or a slash, to start using commands. For example, type /help or !help to see a list of what the bot can do. Some bots also have a dashboard website where you can customize settings without using commands. Check the bot's page for a link to its dashboard. A few quick tips. Give your bots a dedicated channel so their messages don't flood your main chat. You can also assign a specific role to each bot and control exactly which channels they can access. If a bot isn't working, make sure it has the right permissions in your server settings. And if you want to remove a bot, just right-click on its name in the member list and select Kick. And that's it. That's how you add a bot to your Discord server in just a few simple steps. Find your bot, hit Invite, select your server, approve the permissions, and you're good to go. If this helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more Discord tips. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next one.